Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and for the returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting your girl. So today I'll take you through how to link your Mpesa with your PayPal, and let's get into the video. So you'll go to your Chrome or the browser you use. I personally use Chrome, so I'll go to Chrome and I'll then type in PayPal Mpesa and search. You'll click on the first link and click get started. So you'll put your password, or another thing, if you don't have a PayPal account, please visit my previous video and it will be of help. So I'll input my password. Don't worry, it will just be visible, though I'll not use this account anyway. So there are some few things here. It's just about connecting. I'll just agree and continue. So great, just confirm your email. I had not confirmed earlier, so I'll just have to confirm and continue. To use this service, you need to confirm your PayPal address here or click your inbox PayPal. So I'll just use here instead of going the long process. I'll then enter my password and continue. Login. Then confirm my email. Send email. This is the activator. Enter your password. This work. The email has been confirmed, so we have to continue. Back to the browser. So guys, after confirming your email, that is the final part of the process. And I saw using the shorter method was hard. As for me personally, I'll advise you go to the email directly and confirm. When you go back to the browser and type in PayPal Mpesa, it will be already linked and you can now use the PayPal to withdraw cash from Mpesa directly and anything. So I'm just trying to relog in and show you guys that it's already linked. You'll write here your number, the number you used to create the account is the one that you'll use. So you'll make sure it is a Safaricom number. Link your accounts. So guys, I'd said earlier that I had already linked this number with Mpesa with PayPal, so it can't link twice. So you see, they told me the PayPal and Mpesa account you have listed doesn't belong to the same person. Please make sure the details in your account match. It can't work. You can't link a number twice. So this number I had already linked it with some other, my main account, so it can't work on this account. And guys, that's all for this video. And if you'll have a problem during the process of linking, please leave a comment in the comment section for help.